welcome back to our channel. It's Pia here.
I'm Kate, and today we're taking you to a very exciting event called Tindahan Tuwan.
It's happening here at the College of Hospitality and Tourism Management. So guess what, Kate? There are 71 booths to explore.
Yes, 71 booths, and we're going to visiting 3 of them to explore, to taste, and to have some fun.
So let's go.
Naging product unique po to kasi po yung ulam po and parang snack po is pinag-combine na po namin into bite size po para po mas makain po ng mga Pinoy at makilala po nila kung ano po talaga yung igado na pinagmulan po sa Abra.
Yung sa booth naman po, ano yung interesting niya?
Yung interesting po namin is inanol po namin yung team namin sa which is sa igado po na binigyan po namin ng maayos na ano po na color, parang inadok lang po namin.
Last po is like yung people behind the product. Like yung teamwork.
Yung teamwork naman po, sobrang ano naman po sila, competitive po sila and sobrang matulungin po sila which is po, meron pong kanya-kanyang toka, yung mga each booth po para po magkaroon po ng team unique, magkaroon po ng team sa po.
The first food we have tried was the buttered corn, but supposedly dapat igado yun. Unfortunately, sold out na. I am reminded of my childhood sa buttered corn na to. It tastes good but super common na niya. I'll rate this as 6 out of 10.
Here, dapat yung titikman talaga namin is yung gato croquettes. But unfortunately, wala na siya. Sold out na siya. So, buttered corn na lang yung titikman namin. But it's yummy yung typical na buttered corn and affordable for all students.
What is your product and what makes your product unique?
Our product po is kalabasa hash brown, and what it makes unique to other product po, kalabasa hash brown is made from kalabasa. So, alam naman po natin na healthy po yung kalabasa.
Why did you come up with this both idea and the product idea?
Naisip po namin itong product na to kasi healthy po siya sa mga bata. Lalo na po sa mga mahilig sa mga potato hash brown. So, pinalitan namin siya ng kalabasa.
So, for kalabasa hash brown naman, is super na creativean ako sa mga student na to kasi naisip nila yon na ipagpalit dun sa potato hash brown na kinalakihan natin. But yung pinaka-concern ko lang here is nakulangan lang ako sa taste niya. So, overall, for me, it's 7.5 over 10.
And the last is the kalabasa hash brown. Super bango nung niluluto and honestly, I expected talaga na masarap. Although masarap siya, but medyo natabangan lang ng onte. It tastes good din and I'll rate it a 8 out of 10.
Yung product po namin is ice cream veggies, which is yung mga ingredients na is squash, carrots, cucumber, and broccoli.
Since po kasi we promote the
Brown seed.
brown seed. So, mas in-emphasize namin yung color orange kasi nga yun yung represent ng color.
Kasi di ba nasa tropical country tayo, so parang mainit. So at the same time, gusto din namin na, kasi di ba yung mga matatanda kasi bawal sila na ice cream, yung mga sweets, gano'n. And even, gusto din namin yung mga bata. At the same time, habang kumakain sila ng ice cream, may
benefit na nakukuha pa rin from the nutrients ng mga ice.
Yeah, so nagkamot kami sa ice cream veggies, which is good siya for all and less sugar din.
This ice cream veggies was my favorite among those. Super sarap and healthy at the same time, ha? Medyo malambot lang nung nabili namin, but overall, as a veggie lover, is a 10 out of 10.
Ice cream veggies na to, dito mo talaga masasabi na you can enjoy the dessert or the ice cream while being healthy. So, isipin mo, may squash, may broccoli, may cucumber, and carrots to. Pero, hindi mo malalasahan yung vegetable. So, super healthy niya sa mga tao and super affordable for 25 pesos. So, for me, it's 10 over 10. And ito yung pinaka-favorite namin sa lahat, as in.
Namin thoughts, and for me, it's masarap, it's healthy, and affordable for students. For you.
For me, maraming selection, iba't ibang selection. Yung iba, sold out na. Pero, so far, sa lahat ng natikman namin, pinaka-gusto ko yung ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream healthy siya, and hindi mo malalasahan yung squash, creamy.
Masarap.
For the hash brown naman, medyo nakulangan lang sa taste, but it's good.
Yeah, it's good then.
Sa Igado, di kami natirhan, so yung butter corn na lang yung nakain. So, thoughts mo naman about sa food?
What's about sa food? So creative. So
Yeah, it's
ganda.
creative.
Yeah,
Super.
colorful.
Yung iba, nakakamat dun sa mga color nila. And tinakman nila si gag ba yun?
I think it's gums. Yeah.
So, it's so ganda. Creative ng mga student. Then, about sa atmosphere.
Masaya. Ang daming tao.
Sa atmosphere naman, medyo
Crowded.
crowded.
Mainit. Pero masaya kasi may music.
Yeah. Crowded lang talaga. Medyo maraming people. And,
Yeah.
but overall, it's a great experience.
Masaya.
Masaya. But yun nga, hindi na kami natirihan ng iba na sold out na. So, hindi namin na-try yung ibang food. But overall, it's